back with another day. Ugh. Back in the lab. What's the other adventure? Man, I'm tired. What's the next adventure? Kill 15 animals? What? That is hard, yo. Well, probably not, because there's loads of animals. Oh man, that's gonna take forever. Well, let's go kill 15 animals. Well, first, let's do the first intro. Hey guys, welcome back to my adventure, and we're going to kill 15 animals. I'm sorry, I was just doing role plays, but like, you know what? I just want to play this. Like, I haven't did a game, well, I didn't even do, intros. So, I'm going to be doing intros now. On the third episode, I started my intros. Okay. So, we have to kill 15 animals. So, guys, comment down below, what do you think the fourth adventure could be? Comment down below, and you'll get a free shout out. Wow, there was literally a cave right here. Is there animals? Nope, but there's iron. I can mine it. Really, there can be no animals literally in a cave. I'm just goofing off a lot. Goofing off, dude. I think I lost my lab. And my lab is just right over there. Just right over there. Any other animals? Couldn't find any other animals. Is there any chickens or cows? I can shoot my bow. It's making me do all these adventures. Any animals? Chickens? Well, guys, subscribe to this new channel. Why do I mine coal in every single video? Why? Oh, mobs are about to come. I got only one. Oh, why do I have to do 15? All we have to do is just kill animals. There is no animals here. Why? Why would there be no animals here? That's just weird. Raw chicken. Bad. Does this give you full health? The notch apple. What's that noise? Oh my gosh, I swear guys, I never heard that noise before. So like, I turned my volume up to 100. If I hear that noise again. Okay, I have to stop mining coal, but I don't even have a stack yet. I need to get more to make food and all. Why do I just try to find coal? Where is another chicken or a cow? Well, I know this is probably newbie, but it is hard if y'all were on a mountain trying to find animals to kill. 15. I don't know if this video will survive from this. It might just end. Oh man, there's a chicken. Kill. Gotcha. I hear another one. Got 2, 3, 4. I got 4 already. 5, 6, 6. Die! Die, you! 6, 7. Are you serious? Are you serial? 7. Sheep. I can just blow them from here. 8. 9. 10. 11. I lost my lab. Lost it. Blood. What am I doing? Why am I singing a song if I lost my lab? Couldn't find it. I only need 4 more. Couldn't there just be 4 animals right in my eyes? Oh, there's a chicken. Yes, if I kill 13, I only need 2 more. $14, $15. No, I'm gonna do more than that. I'm gonna get 18, 17, 18, 19. I'm just gonna do 19 through 20. 20. Yeah. Where did it go? Oh, wow. It was over there. Well, I killed 20 instead of 15. 15, 20, 21, 22. Well, I killed 22 now. Well, I had to kill 15, but I wanted 22 instead. I wanted more than that. Well, that was the end of the video, guys. Make sure to subscribe to Shane's Adventures. And I will see y'all guys in the next video. So, goodbye. Can I stop it? Yeah. How do I stop it again? What? It's been 10 minutes. I just want to screenshot myself. What? What? Okay, so this is it for the video. Make sure to subscribe. And why did I put this on my other hand? Good.